Hello, everybody. Steve Hess from OpenBOM. And if you are an engineer like me and you design something with sheet metal in it, there's probably somebody somewhere who wants a DXF of the flat pattern. So we just released a really cool feature last week, and I'm here to show it to you. First of all, get yourself a design that has some sheet metal in it, and make sure you have a sheet metal entry in your feature list. Okay, thing number one. Thing number two, in your OpenBOM settings, turn on this new option down here, send sheet metal as DXF. Go ahead and make a bomb or send that item over to OpenBOM. You will get a new property called sheet metal file as DXF. And this is really cool. You can download this or open this, depends on how your machine is set up. Open this however you wish, and you will find a 2D sheet metal DXF file of that part. So I hope everybody enjoys this. Here's that box right here. I've got my DXF set to E drawings. Here's that box, this flat pattern, and just to remind you, here's what it started as. So that's a new feature, DXF of sheet metal automatic generation when you create a bomb or save an item in OpenBOM. Hope you enjoy that.